Welcome to Kids Igbo class. Hi children! Welcome to another time with teacher Princess. I'm so excited to see you all again. Today we're going to learn something interesting. But before we start, I want to ask you a question. Can you tell me what your parents do? What's your mom's job? Do you know? What's your dad's job? Tell me. Ah, okay, you know. Now, can you say that job in Igbo language? Can you say what your parents do in Igbo? That's what we're learning today. Today, we're going to learn how to say the jobs people do in Igbo. We're also going to learn sentences, of course, so that you can use sentences when you want to speak about these jobs. But before we get started, have you liked this video? Because it's already going to be a good one. Have you subscribed to this channel? I want you to like, to share this video, to subscribe, and to leave a very encouraging comment so that we know that this video means a lot to you and it added value to you. All right? Now, let's get into the class. But before we start, remember, I'm going to ask you a question at the end of the class. So I want you to pay rapt attention and put in your focus so that you're able to answer my questions. All right, children, we're here now. Hooray! So like I said earlier, we're learning simple Igbo sentences about the jobs that people do. So after this class, you can begin to describe those jobs in Igbo. The first is Obegu. Obegu is a dancer. Say it again. Obegu. Good. Now our model sentence is Ha bụ ndị Obegu. I'll say it again. Ha bụ ndị ọgba egwu. They are dancers, right? Ha bụ ndị ọgba egwu. Now, you also, I want to ask you if you can dance. Can you dance? So if you can dance, you can say, Abụ m ọgba egwu. I'm a dancer. Next is onye uwe ojii. Say it again. Onye uwe ojii, that's a policeman, right? Now our model sentence is Nna m bụ onye uwe ojii. Say it again. Nna m bụ onye uwe ojii. My dad is a policeman. Nna m bụ onye uwe ojii. Very good. And the next is the fireman or the firefighter. How do we say it in Igbo? We say onye mgbanyụ ọkụ. Say it again. Onye mgbanyụ ọkụ. All right. For the last time, onye mgbanyụ ọkụ. Very good. Now our model sentence is ọ bụ onye mgbanyụ ọkụ. Can you try to say it with me? Ọ bụ onye mgbanyụ ọkụ. He is a fireman. Ọ bụ onye mgbanyụ ọkụ. Well done. The next is a nurse. What do we call a nurse in Igbo? We say nọọsụ. Say it again. Nọọsụ. Right? Nọọsụ. And our sentence is achọrọ m ịbụ nọọsụ. Again, achọrọ m ịbụ nọọsụ. I want to be a nurse. Can you say it again? Achọrọ m ịbụ nọọsụ. Good job. Well done. Hi parents and lovers of the Igbo language. Do you want your children to begin speaking Igbo? Do you want to gift your children a gift of connection back to their cultural heritage? We're inviting you now to enroll your children into the Kids Igbo class, where they can be taught Igbo in a fun, interesting manner that is suited for children. When your children get enrolled into the Kids Igbo class, they won't just get videos online, they would also have classes that are tailored for children. They would also get replays, and homeworks, engaging homeworks, and other fun things that makes it possible for them to naturally begin speaking Igbo. If you want group classes or one-on-one classes, we have you covered. All you need to do is to send a WhatsApp message to the number right on your screen, and then you can get started. See you in class. The next is onye osinri. Say it again. That's a chef, right? From the picture, you can clearly see that that's a chef, right? Onye osinri. Onye osinri. Now, our sentence is anyị hụrụ onye osinri. I'll say it again. Anyị hụrụ onye osinri. That means we saw a chef. Anyị hụrụ onye osinri. Good job. Okay, this is the farmer. This is the farmer. I want you to say onye ọrụ ugbo. Again, onye ọrụ ugbo. That's what we call the farmer. Onye ọrụ ugbo. Now, if we want to make a sentence, we can say onye ọrụ ugbo na-akọ nri. I'll say it again. Onye ọrụ ugbo na-akọ nri. I hope you're saying it with me because I expect you to always say it as I say it. Now let's do it one more time. Onye ọrụ ugbo na-akọ nri. A farmer grows food. Moving on. The next is onye na-ewu ụlọ. Onye na-ewu ụlọ. That's someone that builds, right? Maybe a construction worker or someone that is into building of houses and building of other facilities. Onye na-ewu ụlọ. Say it again. Onye na-ewu ụlọ. And our model sentence is anyị chọrọ onye na-ewu ụlọ. Say with me again. Anyị chọrọ onye na-ewu ụlọ. For the last time, anyị chọrọ onye na-ewu ụlọ. We need a builder. Good. The next is dọkịta. Can you say it again? Dọkịta. Dọkịta is the Igbo word for the doctor, right? Dọkịta. And then our model sentence is anyị hụrụ otu dọkịta n'ụlọ ọgwụ. I'll say it again and I want you to say it with me. Anyị hụrụ otu dọkịta n'ụlọ ọgwụ. We saw a doctor at the hospital. Anyị hụrụ otu dọkịta n'ụlọ ọgwụ. The next is onye nkuzi, like me. Hooray! A teacher. Onye nkuzi. I think this is my favorite because I'm a teacher, right? Onye nkuzi, teacher. Our model sentence is nne m bụ onye nkuzi. I say it again. Nne m bụ onye nkuzi. My mom is a teacher. Again, nne m bụ onye nkuzi. My mom is a teacher. Good job. The next is ụkọchukwu. Say it again. Ụkọchukwu. From the picture, do you know what it means? Ah, you got it right. It's a priest. And ụkọchukwu is a priest, right? Or maybe sometimes a pastor. Ụkọchukwu. Our model sentence is gee ụkọchukwu ntị. Let's say it again. Gee ụkọchukwu ntị. And that is listen to the priest. Gee ụkọchukwu ntị. Okay, well done. The next is onye ọkaiwu. Onye ọkaiwu. That's a lawyer. Onye ọkaiwu, a lawyer. Our model sentence is ọ bụ onye ọkaiwu. Say it with me again. Ọ bụ onye ọkaiwu. Well done. That means she is a lawyer. Have you subscribed? This is a very good time for you to subscribe. Share this video, subscribe, like it, and leave very good comments that encourage us to continue producing this kind of videos. All right. Thank you very much for subscribing and sharing and liking and commenting. Onyo kiwu. The next is onyenche. Onyenche means security guard. Onyenche is the security guard. Now, if we want to make a sentence, we can say nwoke a bụ onyenche. Say it with me again. Nwoke a bụ onyenche. This man is a security guard. Nwoke a bụ onyenche. Did you get it? Good. Nwoke a bụ onyenche. Well done. The next is okuegwu. Okuegwu basically is a musician, right? Anyone that is into music, plays different instruments is okuegwu, right? Now, our model sentence is okuegwu na-akụ. I'll say it again. Okuegwu na-akụ. The musician is playing music. Okuegwu na-akụ. Very good. The next is onye na-edozi ụgbọala. Say it with me slowly. Onye na-edozi ụgbọala. Again. Onye na-edozi ụgbọala. Right? That's a mechanic. Someone that fixes your cars and does things, works on your car. Onye na-edozi ụgbọala. Our model sentence is anyị kpọrọ onye na-edozi ụgbọala. Let's take it slowly again. Anyị kpọrọ onye na-edozi ụgbọala. That is, we called a mechanic. We called a mechanic. Anyị kpọrọ onye na-edozi ụgbọala. Good. The next one is onye ọkaikpe. That's the judge. Onye ọkaikpe. That's the judge. Now we can say, onye ọkaikpe a nwere obiọma. Onye ọkaikpe a nwere obiọma. This judge is kind. She even has a smile on her face. Onye ọkaikpe a nwere obiọma. Good. The next is ọkwọ ụgbọelu. Say it with me. Ọkwọ ụgbọelu. That's your pilot. Ọkwọ ụgbọelu. Ọkwọ ụgbọelu. Our model sentence is ahụrụ m onye ọkwọ ụgbọelu. Ahụrụ m onye ọkwọ ụgbọelu. You can even just say ahụrụ m ọkwọ ụgbọelu. I saw a pilot. Okay, let's say it again. Ahụrụ m onye ọkwọ ụgbọelu. Good. The next is ọkwọ ụgbọala. The driver. Ọkwọ ụgbọala. The driver. Ọkwọ ụgbọala. The driver. So our model sentence is onye ọkwọ ụgbọala na-akpọga m ụlọ akwụkwọ. I'll say it again. Onye ọkwọ ụgbọala na-akpọga m ụlọ akwụkwọ. Let's say it slowly again. Onye ọkwọ ụgbọala na-akpọga m ụlọ akwụkwọ. The driver takes me to school. Or it can even mean the driver is taking me to school. Onye ọkwọ ụgbọala na-akpọga m ụlọ akwụkwọ. Clap for yourself. Next is onye ọrụ ụlọ akụ. That's a banker. Onye ọrụ ụlọ akụ. That's a banker. Our model sentence is this. Nwanne m nwoke bụ onye ọrụ ụlọ akụ. Let's say it again. Nwanne m nwoke bụ onye ọrụ ụlọ akụ. My brother is a banker. A banker. My brother is a banker. Next is Dinta. Dinta is the hunter. Yay! Dinta is the hunter, right? Dinta na-achụ anụmanụ. I say it again. Dinta na-achụ anụmanụ. A hunter hunts animal. You know, he tries to catch the animal and all of that. Dinta na-achụ anụmanụ. That's our model sentence, okay? Good. The next is onye na-arụ akpụkpụ. Say it with me again. Onye na-arụ akpụkpụ. Onye na-arụ akpụkpụ simply is your shoemaker, you know, someone that makes shoes or mends shoes, right? Onye na-arụ akpụkpụ. Say it again. All right? Onye na-arụ akpụkpụ. Our model sentence is ọ bụ onye na-arụ akpụkpụ. Let's say it again. Ọ bụ onye na-arụ akpụkpụ. He is a shoemaker. Yay! Ọ bụ onye na-arụ akpụkpụ. Well done. And the next is onye ode akwụkwọ. Onye ode akwụkwọ. Onye ode akwụkwọ means someone that writes, a writer or an author, someone that just generally writes, right? Onye ode akwụkwọ. Ọ na-ede akwụkwọ, right? Now, our model sentence is achọrọ m ịbụ onye ode akwụkwọ. I want to be a writer. I'll say it again. Achọrọ m ịbụ onye ode akwụkwọ. Or I can even just say achọrọ m ịbụ ode akwụkwọ. I want to be a writer. Achọrọ m ịbụ ode akwụkwọ. Okay? That's also very, very correct. If you've gotten to this point, I want you to clap for yourself because you've done a good job. Good. Well done. Well done. Well done. All right. I'm going to go to the last one. And that is onye na-ese foto. Yay! Look at this man. He's a photographer. Onye na-ese foto. When you look at him, you can already tell what it means, right? Photographer. Onye na-ese foto. Right? That's the photographer. Now, our model sentence is this. Kpọọ onye na-ese foto. I'll say it again. Kpọọ onye na-ese foto. Call the photographer. Kpọọ onye na-ese foto. Give yourself a round of applause. Good job. Hi, children. That was so good, right? I know you learned something new. Now, let me test what you learned. What is a banker called in Igbo? Can you tell me? Okay, maybe you got it right. What is a dancer called in Igbo? If you're not sure about the answers, don't forget to go back to the video and watch it again until you are sure that you know what they are called in Igbo. That will be all for now. Don't forget that you can join our classes and begin to sharpen your Igbo speaking skills. The thing about joining our classes is that you don't just get videos here. You get lessons, multiple quizzes, you get homeworks, you get replays, and so many interesting things that make sure that you begin learning Igbo. I'm waiting for you in class, and I hope to see you next time. Till I come your way, have a beautiful time.